Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. As you've probably seen in the thumbnail, we are putting in a bucket seat in our Nissan 350Z. The whole reason behind this car is to learn how to drift and get good at it and spend a lot of time doing it. That way we can eventually drift this guy. If you don't know what that is, it's our 2JZ swap Datsun. That'll eventually get caged and all that good stuff. More on that if you want to go check it out. There's a couple of things that we have to get done to it. Add the Sparco seat. Hopefully the harness bar shows up in time. If not a real big deal. We do have more wheels and tires coming for this thing that we were going to pick up on the way to the event. It is coming down to the wire. We have so many things coming in this car in a short amount of time, plus driving content. Very excited. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and hop below and smash that subscribe button. It helps me out so much. Thank you. Now let's see what we got for the Z. What y'all can see here is a Sparco EVO L. Fits me. I already sat in it. Shoulder bolsters are significantly smaller than the OMP, which is a good thing, so they'll fit in the Z. Also, we've got some Sparco seat rails, gives us more adjustability, and our planted seat adapter, which is really low to the ground, which is exactly what we need. And to top it all off, it is raining slightly, and I took a thumbnail picture in the rain, so hop below and give a like for that one. So, truth be told, I've already tried to start this video once. I took the seat out, figured all that out, and tried to put our OMP in there. However, as you can see here, it didn't fit. So, basically, you get to start this video over again, which is always super fun. But in having to do this once already, I figured it out. Basically, there are 4 bolts, bam, bam, and then 2 in the rear. They're behind these little caps right here. They're just 14mm bolts. Comes out that easy, and I guess we'll get our planted seat bracket in here again. So there's 2 other things that I've learned already by taking these things out. One, the weight savings is going to be pretty substantial. This thing is heavy. And 2, no matter how many times you clean this, it's already gonna get dirty. I didn't eat in this car, and I have no idea what that is. So I vacuumed this thing completely clean like 3 days ago, and this is what we're looking at. So let's clean it up again. It's a little better. So currently I'm putting the holes on the second one in the back and the third one on the rear, hoping to get a little bit of a, lowrider style. I don't know if that's actually what I should do. I can always move if I need to, but this is what we call in my industry a WAG, also known as a wild guess. So let's see how it works out. Ta-da! It's flop side because I did the other side wrong. So I've got everything mounted for the seat. I kind of soft mounted everything kind of where I wanted it and test fitted in the car, and it worked out great. So I went ahead and tightened it all down, and now we are good with this. But we are missing one thing, which is a seat belt, because the harness bar didn't come in on time, so we have to steal this seat belt. And a little side-by-side comparison here. I think with all the bracketry underneath it and everything, I think it's right around 20 pounds. That thing's got to be at least double. So we're going to need to take the seatbelt clicker thingamajig, because I don't know what the actual word is. Latch? Yeah, latch. So we're going to need to take that as well as our little sensor here for it. Eventually when we put our harnesses in, we'll see if we end up keeping the stock seatbelt or not. If we don't, then I'll put a resistor in there. But for now, we're going to use it. So I know it's hard to see because it looks so OEM, but we just ran our cable down and around and zip tied it a couple of times, made sure the zip ties were flush, can't cut you, which is good, and left a little slack because I don't know exactly where it's going to end up. Now all that is left to do is take our new seat with our new brackets and everything like that and throw it in the car. I'm very excited. now that it's the next day and nice and bright outside, kind of for the next hour, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the car and take it for a little spin. So I fit in it pretty well, I think. So legs fit in, everything's good here. For now, just running the stock seat belt. Harness bar I don't think is gonna get here in time. Doesn't say shipped, and I leave in 2 days. So probably not gonna happen. But it feels really comfortable. I feel like I can sit back in it and relax. All in all, I think it's looking pretty good. And as you saw earlier, it looks really good in the car. Well, I've got to say, I've been ripping it around. This seat, it's like I'm playing a video game. You take corners and it just holds you in. And I feel like I should be sloshing to the left and right. So it's really, really nice. You'll see more of me in it in an upcoming video when I go to drift school. So that's coming here in like 2 days. Right now I'm going out and getting stuff to get prepped for that. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.